Number 5. Onkyo A9110. High current 8 transformer makes sure that sound quality doesn't suffer. Wide range amplification technology delivers high current power stability. Direct mode bypasses tone and prime minister bass circuitries. Most pre-main amps have a loudness button designed. Remote controller. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Marantz PM7000N. Accurate and high-resolution sound at 60 watts per channel. Experience musical accuracy with pure mode. Multi-room audio experience. Multiple source support and hi-fi audio. Enjoy effortless voice control and total flexibility from the leading voice agents. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Marantz MCR612. One-stop solution for today's digital music needs. 4-channel precision digital audio amplification. All-new voice support functionality. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and AirPlay 2 enabled streaming. Multi-room connectivity with HIS. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Denon Ma 110Gs. Maximum performance to drive your favorite loudspeakers. 7th generation advanced ultra-high current MOS power amplifier. 5-year out-of-box warranty. High-res audio playback up to 384 kHz/32-bit and 11.2 MHz DSD. Vibration-resistant design. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Yamaha AS501BL. 85WX2CH, 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Digital audio inputs for TV and Blu-ray disc player. Pure direct mode for greater sound purity. Total purity audio reproduction technology and high-quality parts. Input to output direct symmetrical design. Please check the description for details and best price.